When it comes to versatile tools in the workshop, the Dremel stands out as a compact powerhouse. Known primarily for its rotary capabilities, such as grinding, sanding, and polishing, the Dremel is also a popular choice for those seeking precision in their projects. But one question often arises. Can a Dremel be used as a drill? The answer is yes, but with some important caveats. At its core, a Dremel is a high-speed rotary tool. Its slim, lightweight design and variable speed settings make it well-suited for detailed, delicate work. Dremels can be fitted with a wide variety of attachments and accessories, including drill bits. This adaptability means that, in the right context, a Dremel can indeed function as a drill, especially for small, precise holes in softer materials. Let's consider how a Dremel compares to a traditional power drill. A conventional drill is built for torque and power, making it ideal for driving screws or boring larger holes in tough materials like thick wood, masonry, or metal. A Dremel, on the other hand, excels at speed rather than brute force. Its motor spins at exceptionally high revolutions per minute, much faster than most standard drills. This high speed, combined with the ability to use tiny drill bits, allows the Dremel to create clean, precise holes in materials like plastic, thin wood, soft metals, ceramics, and even glass. To use a Dremel as a drill, you'll need to equip it with the correct attachments. The most essential is a collet or chuck that matches the shank size of your drill bit. Dremel sells specialized collets and a keyless chuck attachment, making it easier to swap out bits as needed. Once fitted, select a drill bit designed for your chosen material, ensuring it's within the size range recommended for the tool. Safety is paramount when drilling with a Dremel. Due to the tool's high speed, it's crucial to use eye protection and secure your workpiece firmly. Always start with a steady hand and allow the tool to reach its operating speed before making contact with the surface. Applying gentle, consistent pressure is key. Forcing the bit can cause it to break or the material to crack. There are many situations where using a Dremel as a drill truly shines. If you're working on model making, jewelry, electronics, or any craft project requiring tiny, accurately placed holes, the Dremel can achieve what a bulky drill cannot. It's particularly helpful for tasks like drilling holes in circuit boards, creating pilot holes for miniature screws, or customizing delicate ornaments. For larger or deeper holes, however, it's best to reach for a traditional drill, as the Dremel's motor isn't designed for sustained heavy-duty work. It's also worth noting that the Dremel's ability to act as a drill is limited by its bit size and the hardness of the material. For example, while it can drill through soft metals like aluminum or brass, attempting to bore through thick steel or concrete would quickly exceed the tool's capabilities and could damage both the bit and the Dremel itself. In summary, a Dremel can indeed be used as a drill, provided you match the tool, bit, and material appropriately. Its strengths lie in fine, controlled work, rather than heavy-duty drilling. By respecting its limitations and using the proper accessories, you can safely and effectively expand the functionality of your Dremel, making it a truly indispensable tool for precision projects. Whether you're a hobbyist, crafter, or DIY enthusiast, knowing when and how to use your Dremel as a drill opens up a new world of creative possibilities.